Is it on?
Yes, it's on. Hi, everybody. I'm MJ Hill, and I'm with my granddaughters today. Isis, say hi to the camera. But say hi, Isis.
Hi.
And Ivory, say hi. Okay, you can see they're in a playful mood because we are on our way to the playground. We're on our way to the playground. Okay, and the reason that we packed to go to the playground is so that we don't have to limit ourselves and we don't have to restrict our visit. We can stay all day at the playground as long as we want, okay? Because years ago, I used to be a childcare provider, and what happened was somebody skinned their knee.
We already know that.
I'm telling the viewers, I'm telling them what happened.
Yeah, they already know. Y'all, you said that a billion times.
No, but I
That's not
okay.
about your grandchild.
Okay. Well, when my grandchildren go to the playground, I like to be prepared in case they skin their knee. And I was going to tell you the part about somebody skinning their knee years ago, and we had to cut our visit short.
We already know that. The video know that.
Okay. All right. So if we're at the playground, and I like to be prepared for everything. If someone skins their knee, the first thing we're going to need is what, Isis? What? Yes, peroxide. And why do we use peroxide, Isis? We put that in the bag. Right, it does not burn like alcohol. And then after that, wait, with peroxide, we need cotton balls. No, we need cotton balls right here. But instead of the big bag, hold on, yes, right, you put it in little Ziploc bags right here, and put that in the bag. Okay, now, Ivory, can you please give me the Band-Aid? Here we have two Band-Aids. One is flexible and one is waterproof. One is waterproof and one is flexible. Okay, but instead of putting both these in the bag, I put them in Ziploc bags right here. And also what you want to pack is, wet wipes, the wet wipes right here. This is what you want to pack, okay?
I can't see.
Okay. All right, then what do you have? Oh yeah, tissue in case your little one nose runs. Here, wait, give it to me, Ivory. Here, we have tissue. Now, instead of taking all this, just open up the pack like this, and you just take one of these, okay? So you'll always have it, and if their nose is running, you don't have to cut your visit short and run home to get tissue or whatever. Okay, now, also, you want to protect your skin, so you're going to want some, no, not bug spray. Yes, this, you're going to want this right here. And yes, African Americans need sunscreen, okay, right there, sunscreen. Okay, now, what do you have? Oh, no, we don't need put that in. Oh, yes, that's right. Oh, when you're, come on. When you're at the park, you don't want to hear someone say, yeah, you don't want to hear someone say that. So you pack some what? Ivory, come on, give it to me. I'm gonna tickle you. Okay, hold up the peanuts. Hold up the peanuts so they can see. Okay, you need some peanuts. And also you want your little ones to be hydrated. So you may want to pack some watermelon and strawberry because they're very high in water content, okay? And what I do is I always put a little bottle of water in the freezer. Bottle of water in the freezer for the kids. And then I might put some water with it or pack some Gatorade or whatever, but they have nice cold drinks when we're there at the park. Okay, you see they have their drinks right now. Okay. All right, come on, Ivory. Yeah. Okay. Yes. And now before I talk about the bug spray, I just want to let you know I cannot talk about how important it is to keep them hydrated. You want to pack some ice. It might be, if it's a really hot day, you want to pack maybe a bottle of ice. Yes, a bottle of ice. But when you put the bottle in the freezer, you have to make sure you leave maybe about this much air, because water is going to expand when it freezes. A lot of you have learned that from science class, but anyway, just thought I might throw that in. So then you want to get some, I already said Gatorade, water. If you want juice, that's fine. But if you're by the lake, you're going to want some, oh, yes, you're going to want this bug spray if you're by the lake. Okay, so I guess that's about it. And if you're going to a park where there are trees, if you want to take a sheet or plastic tablecloth or vinyl tablecloth or whatever, just to sit on, just so that you won't be, too hot or whatever. So I guess that's it. And peanuts. Okay.
And none of these items are sponsored.
Right. Okay. None of these items
And
are
don't
sponsored.
subscribe, so we did this video a million times. And
Yeah.
I want 150 likes.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Yes, they're right. We practiced this before, and this is the video that's gonna go on YouTube and Facebook. All right, come on, Isis, you back. All right.
Wait.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. I really hope you subscribe.
Wait down.
And let us know how you like the video. Let me know whether or not you enjoyed seeing my grandchildren, or whether they shouldn't be in my videos. Let me know how you feel about that.
Wait.
What is it? Okay, stop it.
My teeth about to fall out.
I know your teeth is gonna fall out.
How you know?
Because you're 5 years old. That's what happens. Teeth fall out. Yes, I am gonna post this, okay? Oh, well, you gotta come. Hey, bye-bye, everybody. Wait a second. Okay, I'm going to really post this.